Good afternoon, children. Today discuss about to chapter 3, Nation, Nationality and Nationalism. Nation, Nationality and nationalism. Nation, nationality and nationalism. Yesterday we will discuss about nation and state. What is the main difference between nation and state? Okay. And next nationality and nation. Okay. Today we are going to know nationality and nation. Okay, what is the main difference of nation and nationality? Nation and nationality. Nation and nationality. Every state, nation means here all are states under the including of the union nation. All are the states. All are the states under the including of the union, So it is called nation. Okay. All are the states, including of the union. It is called nation. So nationality mainly belongs to the under the state power. Okay, Jatiyam. Okay, mainly belongs to the state power. State power law, nation feelings and state feelings. These are total feelings are there. Okay, nationality under the control by the state feelings and the nation feelings. Both are feelings under the directly controlled by the feelings of the nationality feelings. Okay, nation compulsory depend on nationality and nationality is not there means so nation is not there. So nation is and nationality. So what is the main difference? Here nation is countries. Nationality is the mainly the country depend on the states power, nations power. Okay, states and sovereign power. Sovereign is the one of the main government main heart of the government main heart the sovereign. Government main heart. One of the heart type. Government heart type sovereign power, sovereignty or sovereign power. So state power next to nation power. State power and nation power also mainly including of the nationality. Okay, the nationality is under the sovereign also. Sovereign is also one of the main powers there. Sovereign means every nationality under the control by the sovereign power. And next citizens. The citizens under the control by the rules and regulation under the nation or national power. Citizens also. So the citizens means one country people, the country peoples. Okay, the citizen peoples also one of the under the control by the national power. So here mainly different definitions also clearly explain nationality. First one mainly the Aristotle mainly explained particularly all our states power depend on the nation power. Okay, the nation power depend on the state power. State and nation is not only difference. State and nation is common in distant countries. State and nation. but in our Indian and other colonial countries, nation and state different meanings there. Nation and the states, like for leadership and supremacy power. Nation power mainly particularly leadership. Leadership and supremacy power. Leadership and supremacy power. And next, here sovereign and controlling power. Leadership is the main point of the every nationality. Supremacy power means supreme power. For example, India is a single citizenship and a single judicial system. Single citizenship, single judicial system, and next to pure population. So leadership also mainly change every categories based leadership also change every person. Supremacy power means a supreme power. Main, for example, rule of law, next to justice. Okay, justice also equality there. Justice is also okay. Supreme power means example, justice or law. Okay, justice or rule of law. Okay, another all are equal before law. All are equal before the law. Controlling of power, control the society, control the nationality. So who is controlling under the government? They are central or the state government. Okay, the nationality here mixture of the population. Okay, society. Some societies total divided from different nations. Okay, the nations again divided from different categories of nationality. For example, gender bias, religious and regions, caste, okay, etc. These are mainly under the belongs to under the controlled by the national power. Okay, gender bias is also very important. Gender bias, caste and religions, caste and religion. Gender bias. Okay. For example, right to vote not first British government period the right to vote only some percentage only there. Now right to vote is total gender bias. Not only depends men's, women's also under the control by the elections period. Elections time. Caste wise also. So many caste wise there. So caste also under the directly ruling of the national feelings. Directly ruling under the main system of the national system. Next to religions, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, there different type of religions are there. Different type of people are settling in one particular region, particular area. So it is one of the national type of feelings. Okay, leadership is also main important of the every regions, every areas, every places. Leadership. Okay. Yesterday we will discuss about difference between nation and society. Today we will discuss and continue nationality and nationalism. Nationality and nationalism. Here main different nationality means about religions. Nationality particularly about religions. Nationalism means some example of the movements. National movements. Okay, nationalism movements. The movements, so many type of movements there in Indian historical period. Nationalism is like example of movements. National movements. Okay, national movements. Like example, Salt Satyagraha movement, Civil Disobedience movement, 15 India movement, non-cooperation movement, Gandhian period movements. The movements under the control by the total whole India. Okay, controlled by the total whole India. So this is a movement. The movement under the main belongs to under the control by the national feelings. National. We are people of India. Okay, we are the people of India settled in our motherland. Okay, so it is mainly democratic country and republic of the country, sovereign country, secular country, okay, independent country. These are country mainly feelings in the national feelings also mainly ruling on the about the prehistorical period. Prehistorical period. Nationalism. The nationalism like about to clearly explain nationalism movements. The greater rewards, the greatest movements. The movements means not strike. Rallies of Dharma. Okay, Dharma rallies, not us. Okay, those movements mainly effect of total dependent, total dependent ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాంతాలలో కొన్ని ప్రాంతాలు dependent for the national feelings అంటే country level, more on country level. So here nationality feelings, the nationality feelings different type of peoples. The peoples affect the selected languages also. In language, different type of religions and language. Language based also depend on national type of feelings. Language, culture, heritage, citizenships. Okay, here totally different type of categories. The category system is totally different. Okay, the total all of the people settled and living in the community settled only for one of the part, one of the region area, particular area. So it is mainly nationalism feelings. Okay, 16th centuries, the greatest 16th century mainly the national feelings is more there, particularly Western countries, Western European countries. 16th century to 28th century. AD 16th to 20th century AD. These are centuries, particularly Western countries. It is called most developed countries. Most developed countries also mainly start up feelings, national feelings, nationality roles, nationalism feelings, movements. The movements also economical movements. Okay, political movements, economical movements. So many type of movements here particularly social movements. The movements are total changes of many groups, social groups. Okay, society type of groups. The movement also mainly effect of national feelings. The movement also effect of the national type of feelings. Okay, they like environmental movement also. Environmental movements. Example. Environmental movement also mainly changes of the national type of feelings. Environmental movement, control land, control trees, forest, grasslands. Okay, control by or human culture, human society. Okay, human beings mainly have mainly controlled by the under the colonial rules. Okay, remove the decolonization. So remove the colonies in here, other foreign countries. Okay, so these are the mainly total under the which area nationalism feelings, nationalism type of feelings. Okay, here nation or states. Here made important all states under the sovereign power. Okay, number 2, all nations under the not sovereign power. Okay, state under this directly ruling by the sovereign power, all states under the not under the national power or sovereign power in nation wise, nation or state. Okay, the state wise, every state mainly political power is also there, but nations political every period. Example, state wise every year or every some periodical time, the periodical time changes, but national wise no changes of periodical time. The national feeling is only same type of feelings, same. These are the same type of category, but state there is no change. Okay, there is no change in state power, but nations sometimes change state powers or sovereign powers. Okay, these are the main examples of the nation and states. Nation or state. So nation or state, nation or society, nation and society, nation are different type of categories. Sovereignty. Next to the feelings, like in different culture, different type of feelings there. Okay, these are the main impact of the nation and nationality. Every nation under the there already directly depend on the every nation of the people, but nationality is nation to nation changes, nation to nations, countries to countries changes, nations national feelings. Okay, different type of political views, like different type of political views explained in different definitions. Nations. Okay, the nation mainly under the control by the every state, under the control by every nation. Number one point, every state or every region controlled by the every nation. Okay, the nation is a different type of political views, political historical views, historical and political views also. Explain nation is the every state controlled by the every nation, and next every nation under the not controlled by every state. Every state or every region. Okay, the nation, it is the mainly controlled by the every nation. Okay, next to every nation under the not controlled by the every state. So the state next to state type of feelings. The state always changed by principles, but nation there is no change. The nation no change by the principles are also are regulations. Principles are also regulation on terms and conditions. Okay, the nation or nationality. Every state controlled by the every nation. States are national. Okay, next to every nation under the direct ruling, sometimes not directly ruling also. Some compared to nation, one nation and other nations. Next to state always change by the principles. State wise sometimes change, but nations wise there is no change. Limited time, limited period also changes. Okay, so this is the main important task of the nation and nationality. And next to nationalism movements. Nationalism means mainly movement type of category. The movements mainly first to start regional wise, after spread all over areas, all over first start regions, after start spread to the all over country level. Okay, first start particularly one state, one of the place, another region. After spread all over country level, all over country level. So it's called mainly nationalism. Nationalism, some historical movements also mainly start historical movements. The movements totally culturally next to the movements totally change on the environmentally, culturally and economical movement also. Okay, these are the main topic of the national and nationality. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss continue definitions of nationalism and nationality and other associations. Okay.